Well, hi there. So, you're coming on a scenic float tour with us. Fantastic. The trip is about an hour and leaves at 10, 12, 2, and 4, so you can pop in on the one that fits your schedule best. We also have a 2.5-hour trip. It's a 6 p.m. departure and floats us through Bow Valley Wildland Provincial Park. Our raft shack is located on Main Street and our put-in is just a few short blocks walk away, so you can float right out of downtown Canmore and into the wilderness. The Bow River is a great place for spotting wildlife. You might see moose, elk, deer, eagles, even a bear. Probably not all at once though. This is a scenic tour, so there's lots to see, but no rapids to run, so you shouldn't find yourself getting splashed, although you might get your shoes wet getting into or out of the boat. As long as you're dressed for the weather of the day, we'll take care of the rest. We'll do all the rowing, and we'll provide snacks, binoculars, interpretive kits, and life jackets which will be worn at all times. We'll also provide transportation back to downtown Canmore after the tour. See you soon!